FPOS Group has a way to track your inventory using Future POS. This is achieved by setting up your vendors, ingredients, and attaching them to your items. Let's take a look at an example for setting up tracking for a Long Island iced tea. First, you'll need to add the vendor which you order from in the Vender Maintenance. This will help you when you need to see what you need to reorder. As you can see, you put in the vendor name, phone number, address, city, state, zip, and any special notes that are needed. The next step is you'll need to add the product into ingredient maintenance. With ingredient maintenance, you can choose multiple locations that the product is being stored and used, and then transfer those inventory from one location to another. In this example, I just have one location for the bar, but I could have up to 20 different locations. Next, I'll want to set up what department the product should report in, what unit of measurement I'm going to use, and how many units are in an ingredient, as well as how many ingredients are in a case. You can run your cost per measurement and retail per measurement to find out what your profitability is on each item. Next, you'll want to name what you would want to call your product and what your cases are called. In this example, I'll have it as a bottle and as a case. Now that you've set up these items, you'll want to set up your quantities. I can adjust the quantities to add, subtract, or change the quantity of the amount. Finally, you want to put in what your reorder level is, as well as your reorder quantity. In this case, when I'm below 6 bottles, it will alert me that I need to order one case when I run my reorder report. Now that I've set up the ingredients, I need to add the ingredients and quantities to the item. Once I'm in item maintenance, I'll go into edit ingredients, and I'll go in and put the ingredient as well as the quantity. I can add and delete as well as edit the quantity for each ingredient. Then I'll save. Now I'll be able to ring up Long Island's and the quantity of the inventory will change. When you open up your back office reports, there are several inventory reports to help you out with your reporting. You'll want to start with your inventory count sheets. This will allow you to take your actual inventory count and update your system. Next, you'll want to run a food costing report. You'll select the department, enter your actual inventory count, and run the report. This will adjust your inventory levels as well. Inside of this report, you can see it'll show you exactly what your variance is based on what you should have in stock and what you actually have in stock. After running this report, we can see that we are missing $174 in actual product. Finally, you can look at the reorder amount. Once I run this, this will show you exactly which items I need to reorder based on what the inventory is, as well as the vendor phone number. So I can easily run this report and call in my orders. Inventory will always take work, but with that work, you will be able to uncover true cost and find out what your proper losses are. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out how FPOS Group saves you time and puts money back in your pocket.